Hi everyone, welcome to another video. For today's video, it's going to be a sort of spend the day with us. We're all at home today, so I've got a couple of little hauls to show you that we're going to do a bit later on. Alan's starting the lounge, preparing the lounge for decorating, so he's just washing down ceilings and walls and things, so there'll be bits of that. It's fireworks night tonight, so we're going to have a little bit of that, even though Darcy is scared, but we've got some things in place for Darcy which I'm going to speak about later on. So we've got a bit of a haul on what we've got for Darcy to keep her calm for tonight. I don't really like fireworks, but Daniel does, so he has bought some, and he did say even if he didn't have them, she'd still be hearing them elsewhere around where we live, which is probably true. So just to help her keep calm, we have got some things in place for her, so I'm going to show you those, even though this video won't go out in time. These things can be helped for pets with anxiety, home alone pets in the day, or if visitors come round, keeps them calm. So it's not just for firework night loud noises, they can be used for pets with anxiety, so we'll go through that later. I've got some shops that we've done last week, me and Alan. I've got some bits to show you from there. So first of all, Becky's going to go on a walk with the dog now. She's currently outside. She's not allowed in the house because we don't live together, but I've disinfected Darcy's lead and she's going to walk Darcy for me, and she's going to use along. She's going to take the camera. So I will see you in a bit, and I'll hand you over to Rebecca. So hi, Darcy's back now. She's in a cage having a little rest. I think she got a bit muddy, but I'm not going to bath her. I'll just give her a wipe down. She's just in a cage at the minute, so I'll leave her for a bit. So I hope you're all okay. Rebecca, just to explain about this morning, I had everything ready to do the haul, and then Rebecca turned up for the dog because she said she'd take it out. So I said, do you want to take the camera? She said, yeah, she'll take it, just so you can see Darcy out and about a little bit. But she turned up, so I had to start the video and then hand over to Rebecca. So the dog's back now, and now I can get into this little haul that we've got. But first, as you know, it is bonfire night tonight, but you won't see this when it's bonfire night. Unfortunately, it'll come up after bonfire night because me and Alan have been in work. I've not really had time to do any filming this week since my makeup video, which was done by Paris in the last video you saw. So yeah, bonfire night tonight. Daniel loves bonfire night. He has bought a selection of fireworks, which he'll be letting off tonight. Darcy isn't a fan at all, as is loads of other dogs. Probably just terrifies them, doesn't it? So we've got some things in place for Darcy. Daniel did say even if he didn't let any off, surrounding houses and neighbours would probably be letting them off, and you can hear them for miles, can't you? So, and he's right, you know, she's going to be nervous whatever, But my argument was, but they're not going to be in her own back garden. But he does like them, so while he's living here, he will have them. So what we've done is, last year we looked into getting a coat for Darcy, and it's this. I'll show you it. I've got 3 things to show you. The first one, now this is just if you've got pets, it could be if it's not fireworks night, they might be nervous, anxious if you're at work all day and you've got a dog and it's home alone for a few hours. These are the sorts of things that you can use. Obviously they're for loud noises as well, anything to just make the dog feel secure. So last year from Pets at Home, we bought Darcy this thunder jacket, and it's just called a thunder jacket. It's like fleecy, and it's a bit of a concoction to look at it, but it's just got a label just there, just there like that on it, and then she just basically it wraps round her, and it's got loads of Velcro. This bit here goes under, so as she's wearing it, that will go under her chin and her chest, and then the rest of it all Velcros underneath her, and then it makes basically it's like having a hug. It's like a tight fitting jacket, and it's just like keeps her secure. So it's got all Velcro underneath it. She's able to go out and have a wee in it, doesn't get in the way, and she has been wearing this now for about a week or so at night time because fireworks have been going off. So this was £30 from Pets at Home last year we got her. So it helps to a certain degree, but she still gets anxious, but we're just doing what we can to help her, because it is a shame when they're nervous, but people are going to be letting off the fireworks, and we don't want to be killjoys, but at the same time we don't want our pets to be nervous wrecks either, do we? So we've got that. So if anyone's interested, I know by the time you see the video Bonfire Night will have gone, but if you've got an anxious pet for any reason, or they're just nice to wear, it's like having a hug, so these do help. So we've got that for her. I'll just stick that there, and then what we got as well is some of these tablets. They're called Adaptil Express, and they're just little capsules that you can give to your dogs, and it helps with anxiety as well. So we picked these up for her, but we've been in work, so she's not had them each night like she should have done. She's had maybe 2 or 3 this week, so she's had one this morning, and these are like a calming effect, just helps them calm down a bit, so they help. I'm not sure how much these was, they might have been about a tenner. Again, from Pets at Home sell these, and the supermarkets and the local markets that you might have, they have these as well. So they just help, similar to the jacket, they just give a calming effect on your dog. And so all you can do, you can just do what you can do. You've got to try anything, haven't you, really? But yeah, so we got them. So we'll try her with some more of that. Well, not today because she's had one, but we got her these. This is a plug-in. It's the same make, Adaptil Calm, and it's a diffuser. So it's like a plug-in, and you plug it in and it gives off, it's nothing we can smell, but it's supposed to give off calming vibes to the dog. Or whether, I don't know whether they'd work for cats, but there's a picture of a dog on it, and again it's loud noises, anxiousness, dogs that are home alone. It just helps them have, it just has a calming effect on them. There's a picture there on the back, so they have them. So we got this the other day, and I think this was,
I think it was £20 from
the black jacket, padded. It's got detail in here, it's got zips on the pockets, and I got that in an extra large, if you can see. I could do with trying it on, but I probably won't be able to show you. It goes in at the back like that. It's got zips on the pockets. Yeah, so that was £25, that one. Hope you can see it there. Yeah, so it's just a quilted normal jacket. The only thing I don't like, there's no hood, but it has got fur around the collar as well. Yeah, so I picked that up. That was what I got from Primark. And then we went to Home Sense in, is it TK Maxx? I think Home Sense is upstairs, isn't it? And I wanted, I'd seen a lot of these around. I can just take the packaging off. It's like, you know, these trays that you get, they're like mirrored trays. So I picked one of these up from Home Sense. So I picked that up and that was £12. And my idea is, it's like that's got detail in there. So my idea is to have it on my table in the middle. And then I also picked up this candle as well. It's got a nice silver holder. I'm not sure of the flavour. You think we were going to eat these? I think this was about £3 or £4. Don't even know what scent it is, but it is nice. So I thought if I get that and place it on there, and then when I light the candle, it'll reflect through to the mirrored tray. So I got that. So I picked them up from Home Sense. So that was £12 for the tray, and this was £3 or £4. That was. But they're quite nice. I mean, I was going to get a smaller one, but when I seen this, I thought I'll get that and then I'll put it where the camera is now. I can stand it behind there. But I'm going to wait till everywhere is decorated before I put these out. And I do have a little vase with some little lights in, battery operated lights. So we usually have them on, and then at Christmas I'll put some baubles in. Yeah, so I picked that up as well. Then I went to Wilkinson's then, and I picked up this throw. And this is for the bed. It's a grey throw and it's got sparkles in, and it's called Sparkle Throw, and it was £10. And it's 200 by 200 centimetres, and I've not undone it yet, but I don't know whether you can see there's like sparkly bits in it there. And I thought with doing the bed, the white bedding that I bought that isn't on the bed yet because we're still waiting for the carpet to come, this will just go along the bottom of the bed, grey with sparkle in it, so that'd be nice. So I picked that up, and that was a tenner from Wilko's. First thing I picked up was Harpic toilet blocks, loo cleaner. Just hang them in, nothing exciting. I thought I'll get these. And then I got some poopy bags for Darcy, so there's 50 in there. These are good thick ones with handles on, so you can pick up, tie it and bin it, and they're very good, so I picked up them. Nothing much to say about these really, but they are good. The cheaper ones, the ones in the box where you get about 100 in, I think they're a lot thinner, so I'd rather get less and for stronger ones really, so pick them up. You need them when you've got doggies. And then I picked up some large cotton wool pads to take my makeup off with. I also picked up the micellar water. I am currently using facial wipes. I know everyone moans about facial wipes, but I did find they were doing the job taking the makeup off, but then it was still on. Some was still on. So I'm going to use the wipe, but then I'll go over with the micellar water and these. So I picked a pack of those up. They might have been about 80p a pound, I can't remember now, but they're the large pads, cotton wool pads, so I got them. And then in Quality Save I went to the Christmas section, and even though I might get a few new bits when the time comes, I picked up this, and it's like a candle holder, and it's got Christmas tree on and reindeers on, and it's frosted, so I could either have a candle in there, but what I quite like to do is put battery operated little twinkly lights in there, and sometimes I really like that effect of just having the lights in, and it's really nice and probably safer than a candle, to be fair. So I got them. There's a Christmas tree on it, there's reindeers on it, there's little snows on it, and that's grey and white. So I thought, I mean, I could put that in the hall because now, as you know, the hall's grey. So I just picked this up, and I think this was about £3. It was quite cheap. Yeah, so I picked that up. So it's getting dark, so here's Darcy in a coat. So she's got that on, and if you can see, it's quite tight fitting on her, because that's how it's meant to be, nice and snug. Keep her nice and safe and feeling secure. I think she knows something's going to happen when she puts this on, because she tends to just stand still. I hope I've put it on her the right way. It's a bit awkward to do, but I think I have. So I've just given her some biscuits for being good and letting me put it on. Have I? Yes, I have. He's a good girl. Say hello. Hello to the viewers. Hi. Welcome to Catching Up with Bernie. My name's Darcy Bear and I'm 5. And I'm dreading tonight because I bloody well hate fireworks. Yes, I do. But I'm going to be a brave girl with the music channels on, go in my cage, all snug. And it's only for a few hours and then it's all gone away. Yes, it has. He's a good girl. She's beautiful, aren't you? She is a good girl. So yeah, so there I always put the stupid voices on as though she's speaking. We're puddled, aren't we? But yeah, so she's got that on. If you can hear noises in the background, Daniel must be playing on his game or something upstairs and shouting to the TV. So that's what that is. Yeah. So we'll see how we go with that. So Darcy has started panting and getting a bit anxious. So we found an old hat that we've found this hack. And so we've got an old hat, cut the end off it and put it over her head like a snood so it covers her ears and it's quite tight round her head. So we're just going to see if that works. So she looks like a little old lady. She's got the hat on, she's got a coat on. She's currently with Alan on the chair in there. He's flicking through the music channels trying to find the soothing music, but I think that starts around 7 o'clock. So meanwhile, Paris and Dan are outside setting up the garden. It seems crazy. You're going to think we're really stupid, and to be honest, I do myself. The dog's terrified, but we're having fireworks, but they're going to let them off anyway. I think next doors have got some as well, so she's going to hear them. So we get it out of the way, keep her as calm as we can. She'll be in here. So we're going to have for tea, we're going to have this. Oh, flip it over. I've just bought some of these the other week, some hot dog sausages. We've got an onion to cut up, some pancakes for burgers and some finger rolls. So we're just going to have some burgers and hot dogs. So I'm going to put those on in a minute. And like I said, Rebecca and Tony are coming round, but they're going to stay on the front. They're going to come round in about an hour and just stand well on the front just so they can see them going up, and then they'll go back home because it's too cold to be outside. It's freezing. So yeah, we're going to do that. So see you in a bit.
There we go.
hello. Woo! Ooh, that was a good one. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. Yeah. So as you've just seen, we've come to the end now. We've just had the finale of the fireworks. Everyone was distanced out there. Rebecca come round with a boyfriend. She was stood nowhere near us. We're all distant, so it was quite safe. And they were really good this year. We didn't have as many as we normally have, but we had to use them up, so that's it. So Darcy wasn't too bad. She's panting, but she's not pacing around the house like she normally does. So she's been alright. We've got this soothing music on for her. We've turned her hat into like a snood for her as a tip that we got. She's got a jacket on and she's not been too bad. So we're going to come in now and just spend the rest of the night with her. So we'll just show you her. There you are. She looks like Granny Grunt with that hat on. So that's the end of the video. If you've enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click the notification bell for up and coming videos from me. And I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!